Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, November 6, 2023. I'm Giovanni Bencourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty, so we are in a nice rally mode in the indices. We've been rallying since Monday, the 30th of October. And so on Friday, we closed on the high, obviously. And today we have opened up with a small gap up, has been closed. So the momentum can be appreciated or taken into consideration that it most likely will continue to the upside unless something out of left Parker comes at you. But so far, we are looking at initially 15,300 as your first level of resistance. Once that is being surpassed, then we most likely be looking to revisit that high of October 12th on the NASDAQ. And the RSI is not even close to being overbought. So you have a lot of space in that fluctuation. Most likely, odds are in your favor of going long. Then we have here the S&P, which also opened with a small gap, has been closed, gap up. And so initially, 4,400, sorry, could be that first resistance level because it's psychological round number. But I have my resistance at 4450. RSI is also far away from being close to overbought. The Dow right now is flat. Okay, also open with a small gap up. It's flat. So let's see if from this moment, will this momentum to the upside will continue. So the chances are it will. So be looking for 34,400. Okay, so the as the open, when the market opens, most likely we're going to be rallying to the upside. The indices. Okay, now so crude oil. Crude oil has we have some information from the Saudis that they are contemplating with either just making a wider cut to production, or just keeping it like it is for the rest of the year. So if that's the case, will we see more fluctuation, more volatility in the market? It has been holding right around $81, as said in this triple bottom here, and so that could be an indication that the market could probably just hold. It did open with a gap down. It has been closed, but it continued to rally. But initially, let's see if it does happen to come back down. Let's see if this will be with this 81.15-ish will be the support level for it. I have mine at 80 just because it's a psychological round number. If we do continue to trade to the upside, we're looking for the market to reach right around $84 or somewhere around above that. Okay, in Nat Gas has opened up with a gap down, much more seen here, and so therefore the movement that will be favored is down. Right, it hasn't really been closed, but it came towards being closed. So that has already been set. So initially, towards $3 could be our support. But if it does happen to continue to the rally, you just gotta climb back up into Friday's session trading range, and 320, 330 will be the resistance. Then gold, which has looking to stay stable, right in a very narrow channel, 1980 to 2000-ish. So that could be another scenario where we could probably see that happening. All right, just staying within this channel. Okay, right now is pushing lower, or it was, but it's looking that it's retracing that movement. The RSI, however, it is closer to being overbought, but we still have obviously space for the market to come back up towards $2,000. Then you have silver that is also flattish right now, looking to just wait out for whatever is waiting, something, dollar index dropping perhaps, for it to continue its climb, or for it to come out of this this doji just popped to the upside. Initially, let's see if we could revisit the high of October 30th, which is 23.61. And then we have copper that is moving faster, is making a nice parabolic movement to the upside. Then 375 will be our target. RSI we far from entering overbought. Then Bitcoin, I thought Bitcoin was going to have much more of a downward fluctuation because of what happened, but then I guess the market or the participants took that as a positive and held the value of the coin of Bitcoin above 34,000, actually above 3450. So the momentum to the upside is in your favor. So let's see if it reaches 36,000. Then you have the currencies. The euro is looking to stay strong above 107, climbing back up to 108. RSI is getting closer, but it's not in the overbought territory. The pound looking to come back up to above 125. RSI is getting closer to be overbought, but still have that room for it to continue to climb. And that will happen if you see the dollar index drop, at least breaking this support of 104.38 towards the 104. So that could happen. You'll see that rally in the currencies and the metals. That's it for me today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.